Welcome to this Tutor to You topic video that looks at why Birmingham is an important city. This is part of Paper 2, Unit A, Urban Issues and Challenges. Birmingham is the second largest city in the UK and lies at the heart of the West Midlands. It has a population of over 1.1 million people and it plays a vital economic, cultural and social role both regionally and nationally. Birmingham was known as a workshop of the world during the Industrial Revolution and has evolved into a vibrant and diverse city. It is important regionally, nationally and internationally, which is what we're going to look at during this video. Let's start off by looking at its regional importance. Firstly, Birmingham is the economic powerhouse of the West Midlands, contributing billions of pounds to regional GDP. It supports major industries such as advanced manufacturing, engineering, finance and retail. It is home to Cadbury, which was founded in the city in 1824, and its historic factory in Bourneville, which is pictured on the screen, still operates today, employing around 100 people. It also had Cadbury's World, which attracts around 600 visitors a year, making it one of the leading family attractions in the Midlands. In addition, Birmingham is also home to Jaguar Land Rover, with a workforce of over 3,000. Secondly, the city lies at the heart of the national motorway network. The M6, M5 and M42 motorways serve the city, giving it excellent road links to cities nearby. Birmingham New Street Station is the busiest station outside of London, connecting regional cities across the UK, supported by Moore Street and Snow Hill stations within the city centre that serve neighbouring towns and villages, and 34 suburban stations within the city boundary. It also has a regional airport with around 300 flights departing daily. Lastly, the city is home to 5 universities, including the University of Birmingham, Birmingham City University and Aston University. It also serves as a regional centre for healthcare with major institutions like the Queen Elizabeth Hospital, which is one of the largest single-site hospitals in Europe, specialising in transplant surgery and military medicine. Additionally, it is also home to Birmingham Women's Hospital, which is one of the only 2 dedicated women's hospitals in the UK and is renowned for maternity care and fertility services, as well as the Birmingham Children's Hospital, which is a national leader in complex paediatric surgery and one of the top children's hospitals in Europe. All of these education and healthcare services will provide thousands of jobs within the region, as well as offering excellent facilities. There are also a number of reasons that Birmingham is nationally important. Firstly, Birmingham is often called the UK's second city due to the fact that it has the largest urban population outside of London. As a result, it plays a central role in national policy making and infrastructure projects such as HS2, which is the high-speed Rail 2 network, and it is a key city in the government's levelling up strategy to reduce regional inequalities. Secondly, Birmingham is a national centre for business, legal and financial services and hosts national operations for multinational companies such as HSBC, PricewaterhouseCoopers, BT and Deutsche Bank. It is a central location with good rail and road links, along with a large population and in particular access to thousands of graduates. These all make it really attractive for investors. Thirdly, the city is a cultural hub. Birmingham is renowned for institutions like the Birmingham Royal Ballet, the Symphony Hall and the Library of Birmingham, which is pictured on the screen. This is one of the largest libraries in the UK in terms of collection, with over 800,000 books, and the biggest library in Europe in terms of physical size at nearly 21,000 square metres over 10 floors. It attracts around 2 million visitors each year, making it the 10th most popular tourist attraction in the UK. Finally, the city hosts many important events. Birmingham also has huge conference centres like the National Exhibition Centre, known as the NEC, and the National Convention Centre, the ICC, so it regularly hosts major national events like the Conservative Party Conference, the UK Games Expo and Crufts. Additionally, Birmingham Pride is one of the UK's largest LGBTQ+ festivals, and the city's Frankfurt Christmas Market is the largest authentic German Christmas market outside of Germany and Austria, with 80 to 100 wooden chalets offering bratwurst, pretzel, schnitzel and mulled wine, attracting around 5 million visitors annually. And finally, let's think about Birmingham's international importance. Firstly, Birmingham has strong foreign direct investment (FDI) links, especially with China, the Middle East, and the USA. Birmingham led the UK in FDI projects outside of London in 2023 with 127 different projects, helping make the West Midlands the 7th best region in Europe for foreign direct investment that year, creating around 7,000 jobs directly. These projects are mainly in tech, transport manufacturing, machinery, logistics, and agri-food. Birmingham attracts foreign investment due to its young, diverse, and well qualified population, along with its great transport links such as the HS2 link, the airports, and the motorway network. Investment is also boosted by the presence of science parks such as Birmingham Science Park Aston and Enterprise Zones. Secondly, Birmingham is one of the most ethnically diverse cities in Europe. According to the 2021 census, 48.6% of the population is white. This is lower than any other UK city. 31% are Asian or Asian British, 11% are black or black British. These figures make Birmingham one of the UK's first super diverse cities, with ethnic minority groups collectively forming 51.4% of the population. Leicester is the only other city in the UK with a majority minority population. This diversity enhances global connections and makes Birmingham a hub of diaspora business, culture, and cuisine. Thirdly, it is important for international events and tourism. The city hosted the 2022 Commonwealth Games, which you can see pictured on screen, significantly boosting its global profile. It also attracts international students and visitors due to its universities, cultural offerings, and the central location. Finally, it has Birmingham Airport, which is a regional airport providing international air links to Europe, Asia, the Middle East, and North America, with 300 flights departing daily and around 30 million passengers annually. This supports business, travel, tourism, and global trade. That concludes this Tutor to You topic video focusing on the importance of Birmingham. Thank you for watching.